Hi there, this is Savewith.crypto. Okay, so I wasn't going to do an update today, but I just noticed a few things that are interesting, which might be of interest to you. I'm sort of not at home, so my internet speed is a astonishing 21 meg, which is a bit like being in France again. Actually, to be honest, I never got that speed. It was more like 3, to be honest, at the best. So it is slightly better. The main thing I was really pleased about was you might have noticed from my video yesterday that I put a buy order for EGLD down at $38.5, and look at that. This little spike came down, triggered it, and off it went back up. So it's not a big position. It's only like $240. So at the moment it's 5.18% in profit, which is like $12, which is not amazing, but is only a small position, and it is only 4x leverage. So there's that. What I've done, just for transparency, is I put a stop loss in at 38.7. So if the price comes back there, it will close out, and I think it shows you there. If the price comes down there, it will end up being 2% profit, and I'll make $5. So it's not a big one. I do find that trading altcoins is a lot more tricky than trading stuff like Bitcoin and Ethereum, because the little fluctuations are quite big percentage wise. So you definitely don't want to be on like 10x leverage or anything like that. Anyway, so there's that. A couple of questions I wanted to answer up here. Who was it now? Somebody saying, how do I... No, I can't find it. But there was someone saying, how do they check the unlock dates of their LKMX? Unfortunately, I haven't got any LKMX to show you, but I think I can show you where to look anyway. If you go to the xExchange and then you click either there or just the default page, which is at xexchange.com/dashboard, then this shows you where all your tokens and stuff are. And down here in your DEX assets, you should see your LKMX amount. Probably be here. In fact, I'm sure it is here. And then if you go and expand it like that, and if you hover over the little eye like that, I think with LKMX, I'm pretty sure that's where it showed you the unlock schedule. Okay, so you might have separate bunches of LKMX. So at the moment, I've only got XMEX. So I've got this lot that unlocks on October the 27th, 26th, and this lot that unlocks on November the 26th, 2026. So yeah, October and November, all very far in the future, I know. Okay, so there's that. Let me just check if there's anything else I need to say. Dixie Flatline was saying eGold dumped 7 months ago and hasn't really recovered like many others. I'm interested in clear roadmaps from the team and a plan for growth. Well, I think you saw all that at X Day, really, didn't you? And there are definite things going to happen in 2023. I think the big thing is going to be the new app, the X portal, as they call it. I think that's probably going to be, where the whole ecosystem gets known more to the rest of the world. Robert Dyer commented, do the LP tokens have to eGold and XMEX to farm now? Have to, in other words, the old LP tokens eGold. I don't know about this, to be honest. Actually, if anyone can help Robert out there, anyone's got an old LP farm, it was my impression that they didn't work anymore, or at least you had to import them. No, I think you had to import them into the new DEX, and then I think they work. But if someone can clarify that, that'd be great. There's some talk about eGold going to $9. I can't see it myself, but there again, when it was 500, I said I can't see it going below 400. So what do I know? Yak said, tried to clean your browser cache. Oh yeah, it's because of my connection problem. I've tried all that. It doesn't seem to make any difference at all. It made it a little bit better, and maybe it's something on my phone I need to do. Okay, a lot of people saying it's more complicated, disappointing, all that kind of thing. Okay, well, to me, I don't know, when things start becoming a bit awkward and complicated and people start leaving, that's normally when I get interested, it sounds ridiculous, but sometimes when things have looked quite grim, I've kind of stuck in there and it's turned out all right in the end. So, for that reason, I'm kind of sticking with. Well, I haven't got any choice now, have I? Because I've locked all my mechs up till 2026. But I think it'll be okay. All right. I think I'll leave it at that because I need to be getting on with a few things. And but yeah, I probably won't have a chance to update tomorrow morning, so it'll probably be tomorrow night now, so like Tuesday night, and hopefully things will be looking good by then. I can see, to be honest, just looking at the Bitcoin price somewhere. Hang on. Anyway, but at the moment it just seems to be going sideways. So I think something's going to happen today. Maybe it'll happen today at the New York Open this afternoon. But who knows? Okay, right. So that's it for me for now. Please do remember to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, leave a nice comment and above all, tell your friends. Right.